or industries, e.g., medical, legal, technical translations. Offer additional services like localization, transcription, or subtitling. B. Create a professional online presence. Build a website showcasing your services, portfolio, and client testimonials. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Fiverr, or Upwork to reach potential clients. C. Establish your cryptocurrency payment system. Create a wallet on major cryptocurrency platforms like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Integrate cryptocurrency payment gateways like BitPay, CoinGate, or Coinbase Commerce into your website. 2. Marketing and client acquisition. A. Target global clients. Utilize social media marketing targeting global businesses and clients. Participate in online forums, communities, and social media groups related to cryptocurrency and translation services. B. Offer incentives for cryptocurrency payments. Provide discounts or special offers for clients who pay with cryptocurrency. Highlight the benefits of using cryptocurrency, such as lower transaction fees and faster payment processing. C. SEO and content marketing. Optimize your website for search engines to attract organic traffic. Create content related to translation services and cryptocurrency to establish authority and attract potential clients. 3. Managing and growing your business. A. Efficient workflow. Use translation management systems, TMS, like SDL Trados, MemoQ, or SmartCat to streamline your work. Collaborate with other freelance translators to handle larger projects. B. Secure payments and financial management. Regularly transfer cryptocurrency earnings to a secure wallet. Monitor cryptocurrency market trends to optimize the value of your earnings. C. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay updated with the latest trends in both the cryptocurrency and translation industries. Attend webinars, conferences, and join professional associations. 4. Legal and regulatory compliance. A. Know your customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, regulations. Ensure compliance with KYC and AML regulations in your country and the countries of your clients. Use KYC-compliant cryptocurrency platforms to avoid legal issues. B. Taxation and accounting. Keep detailed records of all transactions for tax purposes. Consult with a tax professional experienced in cryptocurrency to ensure compliance with local tax laws. 5. Expand your services. A. Offer multilingual support. Expand your team to include translators proficient in multiple languages to attract a wider range of clients. B. Explore blockchain technology. Investigate how blockchain technology can enhance your translation services, such as ensuring the authenticity of translated documents. Practical steps to implement. Create a cryptocurrency wallet. Set up a wallet with a trusted provider. Integrate payment gateway. Add a cryptocurrency payment gateway to your website. Advertise. Use targeted ads on social media and Google to reach clients interested in paying with cryptocurrency. Client outreach. Directly contact potential clients who might benefit from your services and the option to pay with cryptocurrency. Provide excellent service. Ensure high-quality translations to build a strong reputation and encourage repeat business. Identify your target clients. A. Market research. Identify industries and businesses that frequently require translation services. Look for companies involved in international trade, legal firms, medical institutions, tech companies, and entertainment industries. B. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Target businesses and individuals who are already using cryptocurrency. Focus on tech startups, blockchain companies, and cryptocurrency exchanges. 2. Create a compelling value proposition. A. Highlight benefits. Emphasize the advantages of using your services, such as expertise in specific languages or industries. Showcase the benefits of paying with cryptocurrency, like lower transaction fees and faster processing times. B. Build trust. Display testimonials and case studies from previous clients. Highlight any relevant certifications or accreditations. 3. Use digital marketing channels. A. Social media marketing. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to reach out to potential clients. Join groups and forums related to cryptocurrency and language translation. B. Content marketing. Write blog posts, create videos, and share infographics about translation services and cryptocurrency. Offer insights into the translation industry, tips for businesses, and the benefits of using cryptocurrency. C. Email marketing. Build a list of potential clients and send targeted email campaigns. Offer introductory discounts or special offers for clients who choose to pay with cryptocurrency. 4. Direct outreach strategies. A. Personalized emails. Research potential clients and tailor your emails to address their specific needs and interests. Highlight how your translation services can help their business and the convenience of paying with cryptocurrency. B. Cold calling. Identify key decision-makers in target companies and reach out to them directly. Prepare a script that highlights your services and the option to pay with cryptocurrency. C. Networking events. Attend industry conferences, webinars, and meetups related to translation services and cryptocurrency. Engage with potential clients, exchange contact information, and follow up with them afterward. 5. Leverage online platforms. A. Freelance marketplaces. Create profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Clearly state your acceptance of cryptocurrency payments in your profile and job descriptions. B. Job boards and forums. Post your services on job boards and forums related to translation and cryptocurrency. Participate in discussions and offer